Oh yeah, Yoruba nation rising. It's time for our voices to be heard. God bless Prophet Abanji Akintoye, leading us with wisdom, Yoruba pride. Oh, Dr. Chief Sunday Adeyemo Ibosa, fighting for our rights, fearless and true. Oh, Yoruba nation, no going back. Let our voices echo, no fear, no lack. Standing tall, united we stand. Together we'll rise across the land. We've waited so long, but now is our time, time to shine bright. Oh, Yoruba nation will never bow. From the streets of 7 perfect state of Yoruba land, we proclaim our freedom and let the whole world know. Our culture, our heritage, it's in our blood. Yoruba nation rising.